Ka Election Committee jong kami Kelia Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC kan long haka ap kundai trik ubenai no pra asyawa penbenai ka thup ka banengkong jong ki sopungut ki kertong ya kepala dep an menjur daka All India Congress Committee. Presiden ke MPCC Pak Vincent H. Pala ulang ba ka jeng pelaj ya ka thup ka banengkong jong ki kertong kan long tat hadu ban lap penbenai election dak Election Commission. Haka bede bagi jeng pet seng ki babon ki MLA ulang baka seng kadang don kumbakan ringut ki MDC bamenta bat MDC barim ki MLA barim bat kiwei ki batmai ki base kon bat kumbasan fusan nakispa ki MLA ki bam syamlala ban khurjing jump ki ladan jing kerman banwan pai syaka jing job haka ne ganti ka bamenta.
But on 29th of this month, the first meeting of the Pradesh Election Committee will sit, and then 40 names, hopefully on those days, we will let you know who are the names which we are recommending. So tentative on 29, the names from PEC, from MPCC will be finalized and sent to Delhi subject to their approval. The names, the candidates will be declared by AICC.